Well, hey guys, today I'm gonna be telling you how to make a really loud sound by popping gum. All you need is a really a really big piece of gum, and that's all you basically need. And you just need to learn these few tips, and that'd be fine. That's all you gotta know. Alright, so when you blow a bubble, you suck in, and then it'll pop like when you So we'll do that in slow motion. Probably won't be able to hear it. But I am. Yeah, that's basically how to pop a piece of bubble gum. And the slow motion one will be down in the description, and so will the links to the songs. So I hope you liked it. Right now I'm just gonna rock out to Rock and Roll by Skrillex. So yeah, deuces.